Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to send money from Revolut to Philippines. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Revolut and log into your Revolut account. So whatever your Revolut account is, just log into it, and then once you have logged into your Revolut account, so what you're going to do, you're going to go to this transfer option here, click on transfer. So now when you get to this option here, so what you're going to do, you're going to click on this new here on your top right. There's a new option, so click on it, and then now you're going to select this send international, that option here. So click on send international, and then now you're going to send it to Philippines. So search for Philippines and then select Philippines. So when you select Philippines, now enter the amount that you wish to send, and then the transfer method, you can choose any transfer method you want. And once that's done, so what you're going to do, you're going to hit on send option here. So when you hit on send option, it's going to ask you details of your payment and to review it. So if you're using a bank account, for example, you're going to enter the bank account details. Once everything is done, hit on send, and that's it. Your transaction will be completed and money will be sent to Philippines. So that's pretty much it. Hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.